Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's micro market recap. Let's get into it right away. First off, today is Wednesday, May 18th, just after the New York close here. Again, we are still rolling over in oil, so we are not looking at oil at this time. We have rolled it over to the new contract. As you can see, the July contract. Now let's get right into micro gold. We opened down from the close in gold. We had immediate buying take place here. Now you can see they did not want to come back to this level at all whatsoever, and they just kept making some new highs, getting back to that close eventually. But nonetheless, we still closed lower than the prior day's close, so we are net down by default in gold. Now equities, what a large day and move downwards. Let's scroll this back. We opened, if you believe it or not, within the range from yesterday, towards the lower end, but still below the close. And they just did not want to keep that price. They opened up, went sideways, and then that selling commenced. And quite a few entries, I will say, off these HVA levels. Again, these are high volume areas that are given out to our students each night before. And there was a ton of entry possibilities for the students that have these levels to catch that move down. And we had a huge move. Huge. We're talking over 100 points, I believe, from the prior close. So we have a big move down, and we are closing well below 4,000, almost a whole 100 points in the ES here. Now, the micro NASDAQ, similar story, opening up inside the range from yesterday, below the close, but instead of straight sideways and then selling, we had some selling, and then they found some support, and they could not make any more highs after they tested it twice, and then that's when the selling really started kicking for them. Was a little choppier, I would say, in the NASDAQ, but for the most part, they got outside of that range, and they just continued with that momentum, especially after lunch. And then you can see here they brought it down and just kept making new lows for the day. Again, a lot of opportunities off those HVA levels for those students to either choose to take them or not, according to the methodologies and what they were worth. Again, finishing net down for the day, almost to that 800 mark even. Not terribly far for it. That's, 80 points in the NASDAQ is nothing these days. But what a huge day again. Now, that is today's market. Pretty simple, just downward movements in the equities, and then gold had that upward recovery, closing net down, though, for the remainder of the day. So we are down in all of our markets that we watched today. We're not looking at oil because, again, it is rolling over. But, again, these levels, these high volume areas that you see in orange, you can see how well they perform in terms of the support and resistance that we have, and according to methodologies that are shown in Pat's videos in terms of the trades that were taken at those levels. If you are interested in seeing something more, go check out that video. It's the win-loss break-even from Pat. And then another methodology would be considering Dan O'Brien's win-loss break-even videos as well. Again, if you are interested in getting these levels onto your chart the night before your next trading endeavor, or if you're wanting to learn how to trade futures in general, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with a representative at either location. They'll take you into our rooms, and they'll give you a glimpse of what we do each day in our rooms, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.